What's going on, everybody? David here with Van Life Midlife. I just got off work a couple of minutes ago, and tonight I'm going to be sleeping out at a very special place that I will show you here in a few minutes after I cook this dinner. I've got some salmon tonight with some peppers, some mushrooms, some onion, and I was at the store and I found this little can of green beans, perfect for a single serving. We're going to do just a one skillet cook tonight. I don't want to make a whole bunch of dishes, so I've got my big skillet out, and that's what we're going to cook it up in. You guys are getting my usual disclaimer. Don't look to me for any kind of cooking tips or nutrition advice. This is just what I'm doing. Gonna season this salmon with a little bit of salt, a little bit of red cayenne pepper, and, because I like it, a little bit of basil. Okay, I've learned something. I really need to turn on the overhead fan when I cook in here. I used actually quite a bit of red pepper in this dish because I like red pepper, and I don't I don't have any ventilation, so I just cut the fan on just now, and it's starting to air out a little bit. Let that be a lesson to me. Turn on the fan when I cook. I got dinner. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm done with dinner, and I've driven to the spot that I'm going to sleep tonight. I've got two things to show you guys. First thing is, I have a cookie. Second thing is, where I'm going to sleep. And I'm super excited to show you guys this. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna spend a night at Walmart. Now, there's a couple of reasons why I'm gonna spend a night at Walmart. First of all, if you have a channel like this, you have to spend a night at Walmart. You're basically contractually obligated to do so. The second reason is this is actually really close to work, so I'm going to be able to wake up at my normal time as if I was sleeping at home. I'm going to be able to wake up, get to work, get cleaned up, grab a shower, and be ready to go, and nobody at work will actually ever be the wiser till they see this video. So, hey, one more thing. I just got a new camera and I'm eager to use it. I'm getting ready to take it outside, and I'm going to do a little lap around the van and kind of see what things look like from the outside as far as lighting goes. I've got all the lights on in here pretty much full blast, and I'm curious to see what it looks like from the outside when I've got the windows covered. So here we go. I've got all of the overhead lights in the van on, and as you can tell from a distance, you can't really see them at all. I also took a couple of throw pillows and I shoved them up against the rear windows, both driver's side and passenger side, and you can't tell that the lights are on. So I'm pretty pleased with what we've got going on here. So obviously I'm back inside now, and as you can see from our little tour, the van on the outside is actually pretty stealth, which I'm super happy about, because I have plans to take this van not into only some more rural environments, which you'll see in a few weeks, but also some urban environments, which maybe we'll see in the spring. But until then, it's about that time. I'm gonna hit the sack. I'll see y'all in the morning.
Good morning. Camped here at the Walmart. I actually slept pretty good. Now, I've got to get up, get into work, get a shower, get ready for my day.
Alright, this concludes our middle of the week little camp out at Walmart. It's kind of fun to not go home in between work shifts, but actually camp out close to work. Hey, if you like this sort of thing, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, everyone.